Hi friends, this is Vahi Vijay Simha, Senior Software Engineer once again in the YouTube. So after a long time, today I am going to explain data science. Data science continuation session. So earlier we have seen what is data science and where it is applied, and now I am coming to data science benefits and data science tools and what are the main components of data science. So directly I am jumping into the concept called data science. So here data science is used to evaluate huge amount of data and huge volumes of data in order to cope up with risk analysis and log analysis in the application in the IT field and the IT software field. Data data science is a vastly used in nowadays in order to model the data, in order to document the data, in order to reduce the complexities in the business application. So now I am directly coming into the components of data science. Data science is data preparation, data evaluation, modeling modeling program of data, and also data implementation, component implementation. These are all the main components of data science. So data science is applied in the IT field now to evaluate data and also to maintain the risk and the logs and errors finding in the big application. For that purpose, data science is used in a nowadays and also in the coming days in the IT field. So now I am coming to the database tools, modeling tool, data modeling tool, and also data performance tool, component building tool. These are the basic components of data science tools. So in layman terms, I want to tell you, so you have large amount of data, you have large files of data. So in order to read and document it, it will be difficult for you in a day to document it. With the help of data science process, so that data, huge amount of data is divided into subcomponent and it is implemented and evaluated. As I told, it is distributed into subcomponents and then it is modeled into data and data is documented. So and data finally to give the finished product to the data and it is delivered to the client. That is the main purpose of data science. So before winding up the session data science, I want to tell you the benefits of data science is for data modeling and data component building and also data evaluation. For that purpose data science is used. So now I am winding up the session. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. So I will catch up with another technology in the YouTube. Bye for now. Thank you very much.